What you doing?
Packing the truck. They don't call me get shit done Grierson for nothing. Hear that?
Yeah,
First
heard
load
it.
going. Look at that elliptical. How about you get on the elliptical and ride it while I drive? That would be fun. Do
Yeah,
it.
we got everything loaded up. Not everything, just a few things. Just to kind of clear some space out of the garage. So yeah, welcome back. The thought process is we're gonna clear some things out of the garage to make room in the garage for us to kind of put things in there as we pack. We did get one storage unit or two
One.
to pack some of our stuff in.
Probably gonna have to get a second one.
Yeah. Let the packing commence. I'm not excited about packing up all of our stuff.
Well, the good thing is we only have to pack up like half of it.
Yeah.
Oh, it's hot in here.
So let's go check out our storage units because I haven't seen them yet.
I have
Dave went and got them. I haven't seen them.
one. It.
We got the back full too. Back seat. Look at all that.
Mm-hmm.
Now this is the same exact storage unit, Century Storage, that we got when we actually moved to Florida.
And actually, storage buildings are expensive. So this is a 10 by 20 heating and cooled. And normally it's $300 a month. Who would have thought a 10 by 20 storage unit would be that much? I should have went that way. Would have been that much per month, but I got it on a special for half off, and I can use that half off price for up to 3 months. And then on the 4th month, it goes up to $300. Hopefully we're not gonna need it for 3 months, but we are getting it for, I think after tax and everything, it was like 164, 166, something like that.
Yeah. Everything's gone up just like everything else in the world. But yeah, it's kind of nostalgic because we're using the same storage facility place that we used when we actually moved here. And we thought it was funny when we actually moved here because when we got this storage unit, when we were living in Clermont, we had absolutely no idea that we were going to be buying a house in Cala Bay Park where we bought our house and how close that we were going to be to our storage unit. So,
Which is Champions Gate.
yeah, it's kind of funny the way it worked out. Oh, it brings back memories. Oh yeah, this is big. I don't think we're gonna need two.
It's a double door though. I didn't pay extra for a double door, but it's nice because you can
You
access
can
it.
go access it from both sides.
She said it'll hold 4 rooms.
Okay, I'm looking for the cart. Look at all these mazes of buildings. And I'm gonna turn all the lights on because it's kind of creepy. Oh, look, there it is. I found it. Old and all. You want me to lean this up against something?
Hey, how are you?
I'm good. How are you?
Good.
Everything is good?
Just started, but yeah.
That's good. That's good.
Check on us in an hour. See.
It'll be all the way full in an hour. Watch. You guys have fun?
You too. Thank you.
All right, we're done with the first load. We're heading back to the house. And
For the second load.
yeah, for the second load. We're basically just getting stuff that is in the way so that we can start packing and putting it in the garage and bringing it here as time goes on. But we're not going to start the major packing until the inspection comes back, the appraisal comes through to make sure that the deal is not going to fall through, that it's going to keep going through, because if that's the case, we're going to have to start showing our house again. So,
Where's your shirt?
in the storage thing. We're already sweaty Bettys.
I'm not.
You said you were.
No, I just said that to see what you would say.
We're back home and assessing what else we need to pack up. What are we thinking? The craft table, probably.
The weight benches, the dumbbell rack, probably the trellis, the 8-foot ladder. And then I'd like to get one more trip after that and get the bikes, get the extension ladder, because we're not going to use that. Get the stuff on that rack.
Do you think we should try to sell our bikes?
No.
Are you leaving your mirror here?
No. It's $100.
We taking it.
That wasn't part of the deal. They just wanted the refrigerator.
We gave them a lot. They're getting a lot. They ain't getting our mirror.
They're getting that rack, they're getting the refrigerator. It's good enough. And I wanted to keep this fridge, but whatever.
We'll have to get you another beer fridge. We're going to take apart the weight bench so that we can fit it in the truck.
It's
easier.
4 bolts. I just got to find out which one it is. You got it?
We're back again. This is what we've gotten moved so far. Basically, lots of stuff that was in our garage. But we're thinking that we're going to have to get another storage building. Yeah, because although we're leaving a lot of our stuff for the new homeowners, we're still moving a lot of stuff too, so this is not going to be big enough. We're going to have to get another one. We were hoping that this would be big enough, but it won't be. We're getting one more load, and this will be the last load for today.
Mm-hmm.
All right, last load. Here we go.
Mm-hmm.
We're both tired.
Mm-hmm.
All right, we only have one more thing. My hands are so dirty. I can't wait to go home and wash them. But we have one more thing we're getting out of the truck. This is our last load for today. And we're definitely going to have to get another unit because this stuff is only things that we have taken out of our garage. We haven't even moved anything out of the inside of our house yet. Dave's coming with the last thing.
Because I'm moving in here.
Yep. And this is it.
It's right here for now.
I do think we should move that cart out. I mean, we can find another cart when we get here. But yeah, this was just stuff we got out of our garage. That's it. So that's it for today. We are pooped. I've already twinged my back or something because it hurts. I'm gonna go home and take some leave. Lay on the couch. We will catch you the next time we're in here because I think it's going to be Monday.
Mm-hmm. I'll be in here Monday.
Yeah. We're starting day 2. It's been about a week and a half.
Yeah, week.
Since we filmed last, or this part last, but we're starting day 2 of moving stuff to the storage unit. So today we're pulling everything out of the attic.
You ain't wearing them shoes. You look funny.
I'm wearing these shoes. These are my attic shoes.
Okay.
I don't even know if y'all can see them. It's kind of dark in here.
I get a light.
These are my attic shoes. Woohoo.
I'm closing this. Well, or not.
That's it, except for that tree. Whew. Whew. Wowzers. Look at all this stuff. So much stuff.
No, I'm good. I got it.
Well, you're a big, strong man.
Good looking.
Big, strong man.
Good looking.
That's it.
I know. Good, big, strong, good looking man.
Take a good long look at your hard work. All empty.
Yep.
Are you sad?
No. I ain't sad.
I'm sad that now we have to take all this stuff downstairs.
We better get your ass moving.
Okay.
We're just gonna get everything kind of down here for now and then take it.
Yeah. You're not wanting to put it in the garage, are you?
No, because then you gotta walk around the car and. Sound like an old woman over there.
I am an old woman.